My God, this is an RX-7 FD3S, still in one piece? How many years have you been sitting here alone, forgotten?
Excuse me, sir. That old car inside the warehouse, does it still have an owner? Yes, but no one's come around for years. That car's been sitting there since 2015. Could I get a contact number?
Give me a moment, let me find it for you.
Rotary's still here, block looks untouched. Rust on the outside, but the bones are still good. You can live again, I know you can.
This is way too low. That's an RX-7, not just any car. With respect, sir, the hood is missing, the floor is to glass is gone. It'll take a fortune to restore.
Even so,
But this morning. All right, I'll come up a little. But this is my ceiling, sir. Cash. Today.
Thank you for meeting me, sir. I've seen the car myself, in person.
Honestly, I'd almost forgotten about it. What do you want with it anyway?
I want to buy it, sir. I mean that. I've written my offer here.
You're actually serious about this? All right, deal. But one condition, let me know when it's finished. I want to see it. Deal, sir. I promise, I'll personally invite you to the unveiling. Good luck. Honestly, I'm glad someone wants to save it. Don't worry, sir, she's going to live again. Hey, it's me. I need a flatbed tow tonight. You available? Yeah, I can do it. Where are you? Old industrial warehouse on the South Road. I'll drop you the Jeep. RX-7, take it easy, loading her up. No scratches. This one's not just any car.
All right, bring her forward slow. Copy that, coming in steady. A little more to the right. Good. Got it. Stopping now.
Here's the RX-7. Looks rough. Yeah, let's get it inside. Check the frame. Will do.
Core's solid, rotors look okay. Good. Check the apex seals. Will do. Body rust is deep. Sandblast and weld, it'll hold.
All right, let's get this rotary out. Ready? Lifting now. Easy. Swinging it clear. Got it, lowering.
Let's get this side panel perfectly aligned. I'll check the front fender. Use the straight edge for the gap. Looks good. Clamp it, securing it now.
Easy with that seal. It's fresh. Got it. Perfect fit. Good. Now the gasket and bearing. Aligning now. Almost there.
All right, guiding it in now. Steady through the door. Perfect. Stop.
All right, lower it steady. Watch the turbo piping. Got it. Coming down slow. Perfect, guide it in, almost there. Seated, let's secure it. All right, turning the key. Okay, watching the gauges. It's firing up. Good idle. Slight smoke from the exhaust. That's normal for the first start. Let's monitor it.
Zizar, after all these years, I finally brought you here.
Mr. Miyazaki, right on time. I've been waiting for this moment. Dale, thank you for taking care of her. How did it go? Better than expected. Come, see for yourself.
3 months, 4 weeks, and 2 days. But she's perfect now.
She's exactly how I remembered her. Note, she's better.
That's what we aim for.
The paint is the original winning blue, isn't it? PPG factory match. Took us 3 weeks just to get the metallic flake depth exactly right.
Full 13B rebuild. New apex seals and readers and clarity.
The paint is flawless. We hand polished it for weeks. And the body lines are perfect. The chassis is solid, no rust. Okay, let's hear you. There she is. Oh, she sounds incredible. She sounds alive. That's a healthy rotary. No flutter, no hesitation, pure and clean.